Hey there, guys. This is Janie Jones, and I just want to take a moment to explain how my new program works for you and why I even built the Digital Empire Hub. Because it isn't a typical opportunity, that's for sure. So basically, years ago, I actually ran a work from home website, and it helped people find legitimate ways to earn online, and it worked really well. And it worked only well because people really trust people who truly want to help them out. People who give them clarity instead of pressure. And that little website got me a lot of leads and a lot of views. But most importantly, I really love what I was doing. It brought me a lot of joy, and because I wasn't selling, I was just guiding people. And I was just saying, hey, go check this out. I found it, I researched it. I know it works really well, go check it out. So over time, unfortunately, I stepped away from that model. But not because I stopped caring, but because I discovered something that made more long-term sense, like residual income. I had never heard of that back then. So when I found it, I fell in love with the idea of doing the work once and getting paid month after month, year after year. And I even watched so many people build strong incomes from models like that. Of course, it wasn't overnight, but it was like them doing it consistently. It's starting adding up to $500 every month, $1,000, $2,000, and there was people making six figures residually coming in every single year after year. So at some point, I said, okay, now that I know all of that, I can't go back and tell people, oh yeah, just go and rely on these jobs, knowing that most of them are going to be working 40 hours for 40 years, and after 40 years they're going to be broke. I mean, how many times have we heard stories of people that can't retire, or people that are working at Walmart and they're in their 70s? So there's a lot of things like that I'm like, okay, that doesn't sit well with me. So I shifted into, let me go and help people who want to really truly want to build repeat income and help them. So I just focused on that, and then I started doing really well. And not just me, but I also started helping people make six figures residually. I even had people quit their jobs. I mean, single moms quitting their jobs. Now, over time, I started, like I've been doing this for so many years, like over 30 years now. I started seeing that the online income space had really changed. And I started watching really good people. They were working hard, they were posting every day, but they weren't getting the success they were like in the past. And I started thinking, well, what's going on? So, because I really don't love seeing that. I want people to win. It's just in my nature. I want people to win all the time. So, and a lot of them, unfortunately, were saying, oh, wait, well, it must be me. But then now I know it's not them. It's the strategy that they're using. So today, there's a lot more people that are going online, and they're looking for, and they're doing things like selling digital products. That wasn't around many years ago. There's tons of more affiliate programs. AI is here. There's influencers, there's people on TikTok making money. I mean, there's so many ways people can make money, right? And a lot of those people want options. They want affordability. And that's why I built the Digital Empire Hub. It's a free place where people can come in, they can explore, right here in step 2, different, all kinds of different business models, including the daily pay, the weekly pay, the monthly residual income too as well. I have a lot of programs there that pay residual income because that's, what I love and I believe in too. And that way, when they start building residual income, there's going to be, they can have that, but then they can also do programs in there that offer daily and weekly pay. And even there's a program in there that pays 100% commission, which is I created that for people. So basically, once you get inside this hub, there's two ways they can earn income. They can simply just come in here and go to step number 2, and they can just look at programs, and if they just want to sign up for one program, absolutely, they can promote that one program 100%, and that's it. Or they can come in here and they can become a guide. They want to, become a guide and be able to do like what I was doing. We basically just tell people, hey, go check out the hub. There's some really great programs that we've researched. They do pay. Go check it out. So we don't sell. We're not in the convincing business. We're simply sharing the hub, and we help others explore options and see what's good for them. And we're just like a trusted resource. Instead of marketers out there saying, buy my stuff, we're looking at them saying, hey, there's several options for here. Go check it out. So both, paths are welcome here. So the way it works, you're basically just going to be sharing one link. It's the hub. You're just going to be sharing this link. Go check it out. Then when they come in here, they get to explore everything, how it works, how to navigate the hub, how this works for them, and how to select their income, and then how to unlock the training. So that's all they're going to be, checking. And here in step number 2 is very thorough. It goes into each of the programs, and exactly, they can check everything. There's videos for each of those programs, and they can read, they can watch, they can ask questions, they can go to the community, they can ask questions and stuff like that. There's no pressure, there's no scripts. Your job is to just promote one link and feel good about that, and just telling people, hey, I found it, it's been researched already, go check it out. So basically, the hub is going to remove the pressure for you to have everything set up, and being afraid, what do I post? And by the way, you're never going to be wondering what do I post, because I have tons of templates in here, and they're all beautiful, by the way. And you're going to be proud to promote them. So, and any time, I'll be coming into the community. I'll be posting if I have any new templates, new training, or any tips about any of the income sources in here. I'll be posting. They can ask questions, and I can help them out, or anyone that joins can help them out. So we're all going to help each other. It's not going to be like you just trying to do everything on your own. So it's going to simplify things for a lot of people, and I think it's going to be great. So if you want to partner with me and help me build this community, it's wonderful, and if you just want to come in and it quietly, if you just want to explore and take, let me go check it out, you're welcome. It's free to join. You can come in here, you can join, and you can go under the community, just say hello, but it's totally up to you. But I'll be here building, the hub. I really haven't gotten it out there, but I'm going to start doing it. And it's funny because I'm already getting people that are finding me, and I think a lot of them are finding me because I do go inside Facebook groups, and I go in there, and if I see somebody struggling, I'll say, hey, I have this hub that lists opportunities. You're welcome to go check it out, and then and that's how I'm finding people. I'm not even going really out there. But I'm going to be focusing on this, because I'm really excited about it. I think it's going to help a lot of beginners, or maybe just people that already have a business and they just want to add on to what they're already doing. So like I said, you can come in here, you can join. It's simply free at no cost. You can say hello to people, and share that you're ready to a change, for a change. I know that we're coming into a brand new year, and if you're ready for 2026, you want to come in here, you want to build something meaningful for you and your family. If you want to create legacy income, which is residual income, or if you want to, build it for retirement support, helping your kids out. Oh my goodness, there's so many expensive things out there. Or you want more flexibility, or you just want to spend more time with your family. Like for me, when I first started, I just wanted to be home with my kids. That's all I wanted to do. But like I said, I'll be here building the hub, and when you're ready, you can jump in. You can join us, or if you have any questions, You can join here on the community. You can ask me any questions. You can private message me, but like I said, we're all here. We're going to be working together and building this and just making things so much easier. And I'm really going to have a lot of fun, helping people become work from home guides, and they can go and help people and giving them that freedom to go and just have fun and be able to help people. And when you help a lot of people and give, you're gonna get back a lot more. All right, so I hope this was helpful, and like I said, reach us if you have any questions. We'll talk to you soon.